Roswell Flight Test Crew here at the 2019 AUVSI Cascade Fall Symposium, and I'm talking to Dale Hylton from Quantum Systems. How you doing, Dale?
I'm doing very well.
All right, now I was outside a few minutes ago and saw this flying machine here back flying. What is it?
This is the Trinity by Quantum Systems. The latest version is the Trinity F90. It's a fixed-wing VTOL, which means it flies like a regular airplane, but to take off and land, it has a tilt rotor, and it takes off vertically and lands vertically.
So no need for a long runway?
No runways, no hand launching, no belly crashes, no slingshots, nothing like that.
All right, and I had a chance to pick it up outside earlier. It's a pretty light aircraft.
Yeah, the Trinity is just under 10 pounds.
And then how long can it fly for, and what sort of missions are you using it for?
So the latest Trinity, the Trinity F90, can fly for about 90 minutes or over 90 minutes, and you can put payloads on it such as RGB cameras, like a 20 megapixel or 42 megapixel camera. We also do multispectral cameras like a RedEdge and MicroSense Hylton.
So this is for mapping, surveying, that sort of mission. How much ground can you cover in that 90 minutes?
So yeah, this is good for mining, agriculture, mapping. It's PPK enabled, and you can cover up to 1,700 acres in an hour.
Wow, that's a lot of ground, especially for those of us who come from the multi-rotor side.
That's correct. This is a platform that's used to bridge the gap between multi-rotors and manned aircraft.
Got it. So now if somebody's interested in one of these for this sort of mission, what's it going to cost and how should they get in touch with you?
So it starts off at $16,900 for the platform, plus the cost of the sensor, which ranges anywhere from just under $3,000 to just over $12,000.
Now I couldn't help but notice you've got a conventional two-stick radio controller here. I assume this thing flies autonomously.
It does fly autonomously. You use a PC and create a flight plan using Q-based software. It's really easy to use. And then there's an antenna that plugs into the computer that then uploads the mission to the drone, but it also has a remote control, so you can take control of the drone at any point in time.
All right. Well, Dale, thanks so much for sharing it with us. Interesting to see it flying.
Not a problem. I'm glad you got to watch it.
And from the 2019 AUVSI Cascade Fall Symposium, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew signing off. Thanks again, Dale.
Thank you.